Hi everyone, welcome to AI Food Photography Tip Friday. Today I'm going to show you how to remove hands and things from an image so that the food or object looks like it's floating. Now looking at this image, what we're going to do in here is we'll remove the hand so it looks like this fork with the pasta on it is floating. We'll be working in Lightroom today with its AI features to remove this hand. Let's go over to the Remove tab, and we're going to make sure Use Generative AI is checked. And then I'll go ahead and brush over the hand here, enlarge the brush to brush this area, but in the finer details, let me zoom in. And I'm going to make the brush smaller just so I can get into the details of the finger here. And on this side, it doesn't have to be perfect, but just try to get in there more precisely with those finer areas. Now, once I have that selected, I'm going to go over to Subtract and Remove. Now, it'll use its AI features to remove the hand. You can see here what it came up with. If you look over here on the right side, there'll be variations. There'll be a few different options for you to choose from. Pick one that looks the most realistic or the one that just looks the best to you. I like this one, don't like that one. The third one might be fine too. That looks okay. I might go back to the first one here. I think I like that one the best. You could probably go in and edit it a little bit more in Photoshop if you have that resource, but if not, it's pretty good, especially if it's something you're gonna post on social media. It gets the job done, and now you see the fork with the pasta on it looks like it's floating. So you might be wondering why I didn't do this in ChatGPT or Artlist or some other online platform. It's because I haven't found one that retains the packaging really well. After you do the AI edits, usually it'll distort something, it'll change the wording or something. So it's not quite there yet when it comes to retaining the parts in the images that you wanted to retain. So I'll work in Lightroom or Photoshop and use the AI features in these platforms. I can pinpoint the exact areas I want edited and not have it touch the packaging or any of the other areas, especially when I'm working with clients, which is almost all of our clients, where there's some packaging in the shop. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time for our AI Food Photography Tip Friday.